Hi, I'm Shannon Rollins with Shannon Rollins Real Estate. Today I have common maintenance pitfalls you'll want to avoid when buying or selling. When buyers or sellers encounter unexpected maintenance issues, it can result in delay in selling, contract negotiation difficulties, and even costly repairs. Here are some common pitfalls you'll want to be on the lookout for and how to avoid them. The first is neglected roof and exterior maintenance issues. When a buyer walks up to a home or drives by it, it's usually one of the first things that they notice if there are issues with the roof or the exterior. This could impact the offers that they make, and it could impact negotiations through repairs. It could cause delays in the due diligence time while a buyer decides if they want to proceed after they are aware of these issues. So sellers, it's best to have these things inspected and repaired prior to putting your house on the market if at all possible. Go ahead and clean out the gutters and repair any damaged exterior and any roof issues. The second is our HVAC systems. It's best to go ahead and get your HVAC people out there, check out the heating and air, and if they can produce you some type of letter that says these things have been checked and they're in good working order upon this date, that will go a long ways for a buyer. It will give them peace of mind and probably even help you get a better offer for your home. Plumbing and water issues is the third area to be on the lookout for. If you have leaky faucets, leaks underneath the cabinets, or slow drains, or a toilet that seems to run a lot, you'll want to go ahead and get these things addressed prior to putting your house on the market again. The last one you want to take a look at is your electrical and lighting. Double check all your light switches and outlets and make sure they're in working order, and be sure there are light bulbs working in every single light fixture in that home. It's a quick, easy thing to do, but it goes, again, a long ways. All of these are things you really should be doing anyway if you are a homeowner, but it's easy, I know, to let one or two or three things slip by, and before you know it, you've got a big list of things to do, and maybe you just don't even want to address it prior to putting your house on the market. But I will tell you, you will get a better offer and in a timely manner if things are in really good order. If you're thinking about selling, click on the link below, or if you just want an experienced, knowledgeable agent to assist you on buying, we're here to help with that as well. And remember, my team and I are on standby 7 days a week, ready to help you take the smoother road to sold.